Students, here one more problem from your similar triangles, right? So first read the problem. What is given? The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meters more than twice of the shortest side, and if the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, then find the sides of the triangle. Find the sides of the triangle. First we need to draw the triangle, right? Which triangle? We need to draw the right angle triangle. Here right angle. Here I am taking A, B, C. Here we have relation that the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meters more than twice of the shortest side. It means what? The hypotenuse is depend upon shortest side. It means what? It is 6 meter more than the shortest side. And again, if the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, it means the third side is depend upon hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is depend upon shortest side, right here. So here, okay students, so one more problem from similar triangles. First read the problem. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, then find the sides of the triangle. Right? Here if you observe, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. It means what? The hypotenuse is depend upon shortest side. And one more thing here, if the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, it means the third side is and the hypotenuse depend upon shortest side, right here. So first we will consider, let the shortest side is equals to x meter, because everything depend upon shortest side. So we are considering the shortest side as x. Here now we are going to write hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, right? In this is the shortest side actually, right? This is the shortest side. Okay, if you observe what is hypotenuse, the hypotenuse of right triangle is 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. You read from this side, twice the shortest side. First I am writing twice the shortest side. Twice means what? 2 times. Twice the shortest side is 2x, right? And 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. It means it should be added with 6. 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. Right, here hypotenuse is also over. This became 2x plus 6, right? Again, here now the third side. What is third side? Third side is what? 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. First I write hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, right? How much less than? 2 meter less than. So it means we have to remove 2 here, right? So 2x plus 6 minus 2. It means what? 2x plus 6 minus 2 gives us 4, right? 2x plus 4 here. This is the third side. Okay, this is the third side, 2x plus 4. Now we need to solve this, right? How do we solve this? If you observe, this is right angle triangle, right? If we see right angle triangle, we'll remind with one theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, right? That is Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem says us? This hypotenuse square is equals to this square plus this square, right? Okay, so I am doing same. Hypotenuse square is equals to, this is hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse square is equals to this square plus this one square. As we know that AC square is equals to AB square plus ab square plus bc square, right? Okay, now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Same as this, I am expanding this. A square means 2x square plus 2 into what is a? 2x. What is b? 6 plus what is b square? 6 square is equals to x square remains the same, x square plus again this is also in the form of a plus b whole square, right? So x square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Now 2x square, it means 2 square is 4, x square as it is x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are. Now we need to multiply all the numbers here, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24 x plus 6 square gives us 36 is equals to x square plus again 2 square 4 x square remains x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16x plus 4 square gives us 16, right? Now I am taking this all the terms to the right side. So x square plus 4x square plus 16x plus 16. This is as it is, right? When these all terms goes to the right side, all the signs will get opposite. Here minus 4x square minus 24x minus 36. Now if you see here plus 4x square, here minus 4x square get cancelled. What is remained here? X square. Right, here 16x, here minus 24x, here plus 16x, here minus 24x. How much remains? 8x. So minus 8x because the bigger number have the minus sign, right? So minus 8x. Now what is remain? The constant 16 here and minus 36 here. Here plus 16, here minus 36. So plus 16 minus 36 gives us minus 20. So minus 20 is equals to 0. If you observe, this is in the form of quadratic equation, right? We can solve this by splitting method. In the middle we need to get minus, should be what here 1. So the product should be what? Minus 20. First, as we know, first we will take the factors of 20, right? What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, again 10 and 20, right? So in these factors we need to take two numbers which gives us minus 8, either sum or difference. We can take here 10 and 2, right? 10 2s are 20 and 2 minus 10 gives us minus 8. 2 minus 10 gives us minus 8. So I am taking here x square minus, here the bigger number should have minus because the middle term will have minus, right? So that's why I am taking minus to the 10. Here plus 2x minus 10x minus 20 is equals to 0. If you observe, once we check it, 2x minus 10x gives us minus 8x, right? It is done. 2 tens are 20, plus into minus, minus. It is also done. So this is correct. So in this 2, which is common? X is common, right? So x, here x remains, plus if x comes outside, we remain with 2. Here also in this 2, which is common? The 10 is common. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, right? So 10 is common here. X is here. We have already taken 10. So what is remained with 10 ones is in 10, 10 twos are 20. But plus or minus? Here we need to get minus, right? So minus into plus minus. If you observe, these both are same, as it should come in the middle term should come common, right? So once again I am taking these two common. x. Here what is remained with x minus 10 is equals to 0. So x plus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 10 is equals to 0. So x is equals to here plus 2. When it comes to this side, it will get minus 2 and here minus 10. When it comes to this side, it becomes plus 10. So the x value here is 10. The x value is 10. Now we need to find out the sides, right? First, shortest side. Shortest side is equals to x. That is what? 10 meters, right? And the third side. What is third side actually? 2x plus 4, right? 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4. So 2x in place of x we put 10 here. We substitute with 10. 10 plus 4. So 2 tens are 20 plus 4. So that is 24 meters. The third side is what here? 24 meters. Now what is hypotenuse? What is hypotenuse? We'll do here. Okay. What is hypotenuse actually? Hypotenuse is 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. So we'll substitute x is equals to 10 in this equation. So 2 into 10 plus 6. 2 tens are 20 plus 6. 20 plus 6 gives us 26. So 3 sides 26 meters, sorry. So 3 sides are now in our hand, right? What is 1 is 10 meters and this is 24 meter and the hypotenuse is 26 meter.